Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a list of all your vendors on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using QuickBooks and you want to go ahead and see who is being categorized as vendors. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now there's multiple ways you could actually do this. The first way is that you can log on to QuickBooks, then highlight where it says expenses, and then go ahead and click on vendors. So what's going to happen is that it's going to open a list of all the vendors that you have on QuickBooks. And so with it, scroll down and you'll see how much you've paid that vendor and how much is actually missing. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a list of your vendors on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.